you're experiencing frame stuttering in Apex Legends, calibrating your settings can help improve your gaming experience. Follow these steps to address the issue effectively. Step 1. Check system requirements. Ensure your PC meets the minimum and recommended system requirements for Apex Legends. This includes checking your CPU, GPU, RAM, and storage space to ensure optimal performance. Step 2. Update graphics drivers. Visit the website of your graphics card manufacturer, NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel, and download the latest drivers. Keeping your drivers up to date can resolve compatibility issues and improve performance. Step 3. Adjust in-game settings. Launch Apex Legends and go to the settings menu. Lower the graphics settings such as resolution, texture quality, and shadow detail. This can help reduce the load on your system and minimize stuttering. Step 4. Enable VSync or G-Sync/FreeSync. In the graphics settings, enable VSync to help synchronize your frame rate with your monitor's refresh rate. If you have a G-Sync or FreeSync compatible monitor, ensure those settings are enabled as well for smoother gameplay. Step 5. Optimize background applications. Close any unnecessary applications running in the background that may be consuming system resources. This includes web browsers, streaming services, and other software that could impact game performance. By following these steps, you should see an improvement in frame stuttering while playing Apex Legends. Enjoy a smoother gaming experience.